committed. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jolie Vega. In today's video, let's try to get this hair together. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I have not been taking care of my hair. You probably know that, but I've had a bunch of things going on so far this year. 2026 has been a time. So yeah, I've been neglecting my hair. Like you can see, it's pretty dry. My scalp is disgusting right now. So I'm using this sample I got from Living Proof. It's like a Living Proof. It's like a scalp exfoliator. So I use that, and then what I'm putting on now is some kind of concoction my sister put together. She loves to mix products together and different oils and things like that. So to try to get my hair ready for me to wash it, I'm just using that because I actually ran out of pretty much everything that I use for my hair normally. Like to wash my hair, I usually use like Carol's Daughter, and then I have their conditioner. But yeah, I ran out of everything, and one thing I can count on is my sister to have some kind of products, because she, tries to take care of her hair with different oils and putting different things together. So yeah, putting that on my hair to make it a little easier for me to wash and detangle, because yeah, I haven't been combing it out very well, so it's pretty tangled, it's pretty rough. Okay, so yeah, using that and just trying to comb it out, detangle it before I actually do my wash, because if it's one thing I can't stand, it's wash day with my hair. My hair is so thick, and which, don't get me wrong, I'm happy about. I love that my hair is thick. The thing I don't like about my hair is the my hairline. Like I have this widow's peak, and my hairline is just, I've never liked it. It's always been this way. So I mean, I've tried different things, but I'm not consistent with it. So at this point, I really need to get very consistent with my hair and keeping it, healthy and everything, and hydrated, and keeping my hairline, like, doing different things for my hairline to help with the thinning and everything. Because I used to get sew-ins all the time, and then I was doing ponytails a lot, so my hairline got thinner, I feel like. So what I want to do is just try to get my hair healthier overall, and try to hopefully thicken up my hairline. And so I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, this is some kind of shampoo that my sister had. Like I said, I ran out of mine, so I'm using that. It's shampoo, and just washing my hair now and trying to detangle still while I'm in the shower, doing all that. And so yeah, but I'm excited for y'all to see this video, because yeah, I've been talking for like a while, and now I'm excited for y'all to see this video. I'm happy for y'all to see this video, because one thing I'm not very good at is doing my hair. If y'all been watching me, you know that. Before I get into that, this is the Fenty Water Boy leave-in conditioner. And so I'm using that because my hair needs some serious hydration. And one thing that I love, or a couple things that I love, Fenty Beauty's or Fenty Hair, whichever it is, the Water Boy leave-in conditioner, and I love the Comeback Kid. The Comeback Kid is like my number one, because when my hair is like really tangled, and like I said, my hair draws up really fast too. Like it's super curly, it draws up so fast. Comeback Kid helps me to manage my hair a whole lot better. So I really love that about the Comeback Kid. So that's what I'm using now. The leave-in, I'm using both, because the leave-in conditioner and the Comeback Kid, I feel like, look at my hair, it needs a lot of love. So let's do that. I need some hydration in there, because I have not been hydrating my hair. I just haven't been doing my hair justice at all. I've been pretty much just keeping it in like a bun, and I've really haven't even combed it out really well for a minute. And, you know, it's just been some things, but I need to get back on my stuff because, you know, I told y'all before that I'm trying to reset my entire life. I got a lot of things done, but it's like resets are continuous, okay? Anyway, so that's the Eco Styler with olive oil, I think, and then the Got To Be spray. So I always use those when I'm doing this, but back to what I was saying, I'm all over the place. Sorry, y'all know how I get. Um, but when I haven't done my hair and I need a quick like go-to, this style is going to be my go-to for my natural hair, for curly hair, for my wavy hair. This ponytail matches my hair so well. I love it. And I love that it's not like super like put together, so to speak. I love it that it's kind of messy. It's like yucky, wavy or curly, kind of messy, and I feel like those look so much more natural. So y'all watch, because if you are like me, if you have a hairline that is kind of and you need something quick, something cute, something that's gonna look good, whether you're being casual or you're dressing up a little more, I feel like this style does it, and I feel like it looks really good on or with my hair and just on me in general. I feel like this ponytail is it's really good, and it's super affordable. That's the other thing. If you want a super affordable, quick, easy style, this is the style for you. Okay, this is the style for me. This is the style for you. Quick and easy, super affordable. And I get this ponytail. I haven't gotten to it yet, have I? Or did I show it to y'all already? I get this ponytail, and I've had this extras for a while. I haven't done this style in a little minute, so I've had extra ponytails for a while. And I've always gotten them from Target. I'll get them online. This is the Darling Care, and you'll see which one it is. But I also have the just a straight, like, yucky looking ponytail, which I haven't done that one in a while either. But I get them for Target. Have to get it online only. But I'm hoping they still have them, actually, because I haven't ordered any new ones in quite a while. Like this. The ones that I've had for a good minute. So anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Y'all keep watching until the end. This is kind of a shorter video, which I wanted it to be. I just wanted to do like separate videos. This one's Get Ready With Me, Let's Do My Hair. And yeah, so I hope y'all like this style. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. In this video, if you've gotten to this point, then let's see, the password or the keyword to enter into the comments is going to be natural hair. Before I go, y'all, so I love that I've been on my natural hair journey for several years now. The thing is, my sister, she used to do my sew-ins all the time for me before I started going to a different hairstylist that I really love out here too. And she told me one day, you're going to stop relaxing your hair, which I did several years ago. And I love that I've been on my natural hair journey ever since. I feel like my natural hair is pretty good, but it could be better. There's the ponytail. Anyway, it's a wraparound. I feel like my natural hair is pretty good, but it could be better. Like, I need a trim. I haven't gotten it trimmed in a while. And so I need a trim, and I need a really good like deep conditioning and things like that. So, but yeah, if you're on your natural hair journey too, this ponytail is probably for you as well. If you have hair kind of like mine, draws up quickly, it's curly, it waves up when you put any kind of styler or conditioner in it and stuff like that. So, okay, so I've talked probably almost this entire video because I'm a talker. I really am. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Remember, the keyword to put in the comments in this video is natural, or the keywords our natural hair. And keep watching till the end. It's almost through. I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye, y'all.
My hair closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you seek? Or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That was then, go back, hurt so bad. Had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, love it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Yeah. Since you've been gone away so long.
Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. You getting better with the times. Looking on your herbs, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through a mind. Nick be calling, but you never mind, cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night, hit the brake lights and the shade right. I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots, put the Henny in my cup, and a couple moments later we'll be bending up a twine. Something that's divine, had to give it time, but I'm patient. I just wanna see on your space. Yeah. Better when you mad me, yeah. You got better when you mad me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed, I'm like, yes, ain't no stress.